The rich are moving their money, but not where you'd expect. They're making bold, strategic changes while everyone else is distracted. If you've been watching the markets, hearing whispers about inflation, real estate drops, or the AI boom, you've probably felt confused. But the smart money, they're acting. And if you don't pay attention now, you might miss your window. This video breaks down what the smartest investors are doing right now, how you can think like them. Even if you're just getting started, hit that like button. If you're ready to grow your wealth, subscribe for weekly videos that break down how money really works without the noise. Let's jump in. Section 1. What is smart money? Let's get one thing clear. Smart money isn't just rich people. It's institutional investors, hedge funds, family offices, and high-net-worth individuals who move markets by thinking long-term, not emotionally. These players don't chase trends. They study patterns, monitor data, and make moves before the news hits the public. So, what are they doing right now? Let's break it down. Section 2. Leaving risky assets first. They're quietly dumping high-risk assets. That includes overvalued tech stocks, crypto tokens with no utility, and speculative real estate. After years of growth at all costs, smart investors are returning to fundamentals: value, stability, and cash flow. They're exiting anything that doesn't produce real income or hold long-term value. If you're still chasing hype, you're likely holding the bag. Section 3. Real estate is changing. Real estate used to be the holy grail, but smart money knows the game is shifting. They're pulling back from overpriced cities and investing in rental-heavy, stable markets, places with strong job growth and population influx. Think parts of the Midwest, Southeast, or Sunbelt states like Texas and Florida. Also, instead of flipping, they're going for long-term cash flow rentals and REITs. They want income, not illusion. Section 4. Holding more cash. Yes, cash is back, but not under the mattress. Smart investors are holding more cash to stay liquid, ready to strike when asset prices drop. In uncertain times, cash is an option, not a weakness. It buys you time. It buys you power. They're putting it into high-yield savings accounts and short-term bond ETFs while waiting for better buying opportunities. Section 5. Investing in knowledge and skills. Here's something most people overlook. Smart money isn't just investing in assets, it's investing in knowledge. Courses, masterminds, expert research, AI tools, because when the world changes, the best skill is adaptability. You don't need millions to follow this move. You can invest in books, podcasts, mentorships, anything that helps you think better and act smarter. Section 6. Positioning for future trends. Smart money is betting on what's next, not what's now. They're going deeper into AI infrastructure, green energy, cybersecurity, healthcare, innovation. They are not looking for quick wins. They are rebuilding a portfolio that will grow over the next 5 to 10 years. The takeaway: don't just chase what's hot. Bet on what's inevitable. Final thoughts. How you can think like smart money? You don't need millions to think like the smart money. You just need to ask better questions. Does this asset produce income? Am I buying value or hype? Am I flexible enough to pivot when the world changes? Smart money plays offense and defense. They think long-term. They don't panic. They prepare. If you want to build real wealth, stop copying broke people's habits and start watching what the smart money is doing. Found this video helpful? Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to learn how wealth is really built. Drop a comment. What S1 move you're remaking with your money this year? Thanks for watching, and remember, follow the smart money, but think for yourself.